with our customers. And if they have little kids, the kids like to try and help. And we also like to memorialize the whole process for the family. So Katie stoned this wall, leaving a gap for the homeowners and their kids and their little puppy Shelby to come and press their handprints in there, so years from now, Abigail and Rebecca can see how small their hands were and just remember, hopefully, how much fun they had watching us work hard and sweat. Okay, so now we're gonna go get them. Rebecca? All right, you wanna get everybody so we can get your hands dirty? Shelby, yeah, we're gonna get Shelby's hand dirty too. Yeah. Yeah, come on, Shelby, we're gonna stick your paw in concrete. And then we got the water bucket right there to wash the hands off. And then press hard. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good, I can still. Okay, water right there. Okay, now Rebecca. Right in this area, Rebecca. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna push this one and then your palms. Good job. Okay, Abigail. Okay, you want Dad to help you? No, want me to help you? Yeah. Okay, come on over here. Okay, now we just pull it out. Good one, Abigail. Okay, Shelby. Okay, there we go. Perfect, thank you very much.